Hey guys, thanks for joining. I just want to quickly get you started on how you can use Moonbeam's testnet known as Moonbase Alpha. Over this quick video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can get free test dev tokens, which are based on the Alpha faucet. Get those tokens, integrate it into Metamask, get your Metamask set up for Moonbase Alpha testnet, and deploy a simple smart contract. Yep, so let's get started. Let me share my screen here. Okay. Look, as you can see, the fastest, easiest way to get started is through the documentation. So if you go to Moonbeam docs, you just Google search this, and you go to getting started, you would see this page from Moonbase Alpha. And the first thing that I would like you to do is to get your Metamask wallet integrated. So you go to integrate Metamask, you see this nice, beautiful button, connect Metamask. What this would do is it will give all the RPC network settings that will allow you to connect to Moonbase Alpha, the testnet of Moonbeam. So you just click here, connect Metamask, and you see these details, which are already populated for you. But if you want to do this manually, you can actually fill out the information in your settings for a network. And you can see these settings here are pretty much what they already pre-populated for you here. It might give you an issue saying that, oh, the chain ID does not match our records. And that's fine, because this is just a test net outside of normal Ethereum. This is Moonbase, but it's EVM compatible, so it works all just fine. So you can ignore this error. Just click approve and switch your network. Done. So you should be able to see that you're connected to your wallet address. And just take note that Moonbase Alpha tokens are known as DEV dev tokens. Now, as with every other testnet, you want to get some of these test tokens so that you can start programming on the Moonbase Alpha testnet blockchain. And you would go over to this faucet. So here you would see the instructions, which is pretty straightforward. Basically, what they're trying to tell you is that you will need a Discord account, get into the Discord channel, and place this request for faucet send and put in your wallet address here. And by default, Mission Control, which is basically a chatbot, will send you 5 dev tokens in. And using these dev tokens, you can then do creating and publishing smart contracts on the blockchain, right? So let's just follow the instructions here. So basically, faucet send, enter some address. So where do you go? Well, you will go to Discord. So as you can see here, I'm in Discord. I'm in the Moonbeam Discord channel. And if you scroll all the way down to miscellaneous, you would see this Alpha Net bot. Well, it's for the Alpha testnet, right? And you follow the syntax. So faucet send. And you put in the wallet address that you need. Let's say I already have one of these developer addresses. And by the way, I've already queried the faucet quite a few times, but let me just do it again. So you just copy the address. So faucet send, copy address, enter. And just give it a minute or so, and the bot will then give you the tokens. All right. Now, I don't want to waste your time here. So I've already done it quite a few times. And as you can see, I have already some tokens inside here. So yeah, these are the native tokens to the testnet, meaning they will be used to pay for gas in the system. And you can use it to publish smart contracts, or write smart contracts. Let me just do that right here. Okay. So I have Remix right here, and this is like the first way you can start writing and publishing contracts. You can create a new contract here. You can call it intro.sol, just an introduction contract. And just to make things extremely simple, I went to Solidity's documentation, and at the very top, they give a sample contract where you can store data, you can set the data of a integer, unsigned integer, and you can get that unsigned integer. So it's a very simple contract. I'm gonna paste it here, right? Done. So I have a intro.sol. Just save it. Once you click save, you naturally get it compiled here. Seems like there's an error. Well, basically the error is telling me, try to put the version to be as close as possible to solid, the 0.4.0 Solidity code, which is here. Oh, it's telling me, something's wrong there. Well, let's put it somewhere. Generally speaking, I like, generally 0.6. Right, done. You see here? Once you see this information, it means the compilation is done and we can start publishing. So when we publish the contract in Remix, I'm sure many of you would know the easiest way to do it is injected Web3. And I can select, since I already have dev tokens, and I can click next and connect. So by default, because I'm on Moonbase Alpha, injected Web3 is actually connected. Guess what? Not to the Ethereum network, but the AlphaNet. With that, I can deploy. So just hit this button, pay the gas fees, confirm. It's going to load it up. It's going to take some time. Creation of this contract is pending. And once it's done, you should be able to see it on the blockchain. Done. Right. You can see it right here. It is done. And you can see the deployed contract right here. Right. So let's say if I set the unsigned integer to 10, sign the contract, sign the transaction. Okay. Okay, completed. Now if I get the number, you should see here,